How to add contacts on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to save and add a new contact directly through WhatsApp on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on New Chat at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on New Contact at the top of the contacts list. At this point, enter the person's name in the name field. In the next step, enter their phone number, including the country code. Following this, tap Save to add them to your contacts. Once done, go back to the new chat screen and the newly added contact will now appear in your WhatsApp contacts list. Finally, tap on their name to start a conversation with them right away. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you add a new contact, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.